sunny enough for you?
So Lisa, thank you very much indeed. And hopefully the team are listening to that. They're the ones that are doing it.
Because like we're all
live angles going back. Where is it?
It's a guy in Baldhead. His hand up.
yeah, Missy should have them.
Sometimes we are able to do them on the PA and sometimes we are not, so it depends on time restraints throughout the day, but just head for victory.
Boy, how can I shout out to Steve, Jacqueline, he is sitting at Hamilton. Thank you to all the marshals also. Those kids should be. So there is a gap right at the back of the grid. Very brightly livered car should be. Stephen Jelly's car is here, that car required. Join the queue alongside Craig Pawley, who is Jake Hill's engineer, who's on the headset. Thank you very much indeed. So I'm back into the safety pit lane now. Thank you very much. Oh, we have to hold that, do we? Right, otherwise it's going to go backwards sometimes.
So he'll have 4 laps of the boost to use, 5 laps for Dan Lloyd in 5th position, and then first lap in 7th position. And we saw race number 2 brand tag, and we've already seen so far today it's been somewhere in the region of 1.6 seconds per lap, where those on soft tyres are better than the hard tyred cars. So watch for the start, because the hard tyres will be slow away. Watch out for those quick members slowing down with the soft tyres, because they are all using apart from the top three. You'll be able to, of course, to know what driver is on what time with the rectangle on the side of the car. Red is hard, white is soft. In terms of the boost, when it goes green, black is under that on it. When it goes white, there's 1 hour more than that. And when the whole one goes green, there's 1 hour more completely for the race down the colours of the council, side of the car, all set to go then. 12 laps of collected by Smith. Then got a bit of a tap from Andrew Blackmore.